Clearbrow, North Dallas, 2021, excuse me, Tesla Model 3, full wrap, expel, paint protection film, and a 2-year ceramic coating over this one from Fine Lab. And let's take a look at all our wrapping. We just recently have discovered that some shops in town are saying that you can't wrap edges. Okay, well you can, and we've been doing it for years, and there's no compromising anything. It wraps around, it's guaranteed, and it's that simple. Wrapping in here, same thing. If you're not wrapping your edges, you are seriously diminishing the 10 years the film is guaranteed for, because those edges are going to get dirty, they're going to fray, they're going to lift, they're not going to stay down. They need to get wrapped around a corner. If they can't, they need to be as tight as to the edge as they can. If you can't, you can't. So on most cars, it's not a problem achieving all the edges. On this Tesla, it's not a problem. So talk to your installer, make sure they're doing the proper prep on the car, a decontamination of the surface. You need to decon the surface before you do anything, before you lay ceramic, before you lay paint protection film. You have to decon it. There is things on top of that clear coat from transit, from just sitting, okay? And if it needs a polish, it needs to be done. So talk to your installers, make sure that's being done. That's standard on all our cars. Everything is getting a decon, a polish, properly cleaned up. And the film, when it goes on, is being properly wrapped. Okay, so people that would say it doesn't wrap, it's I heard that this week, and it's just annoying. But it's no problem to wrap. I got plenty of examples here. You're always welcome to come by the store, take a look. Removing emblems. I mean, we've done our fair share of the Teslas. We do a lot of everything. So whatever you have, give us a call. We'd be happy to go over it with you. Remember, when you're wrapping the car, that's the surface you're going to look at for the next number of years you own that car. So if it's going to be paint protection film, aka Clearbrow, or ceramic coating going on top of that paint, that means you're securing that look for that next period of time. So make sure it's done correct. That is what it's all about. And I'm finding out that there are people that can't do something and coming up with crafty excuses to why they can't do it and blaming it on the engineering of the car, I guess. I don't know. But it can be done. All the edges can be wrapped. No big deal. And prep the car, for God's sakes. Get the car prepped. Make sure the installer's prepping it. Has to be prepped. Any questions, give me a call. 214-414-3809, Clearbrow, North Dallas. I'm Brent, and I'd be happy to chat with you about Clearbrow, ceramic, whatever it is you want to do to your paint to keep it looking like the day you took it off the lot or picked it up or was delivered to you as a new car. Take care, and thanks for watching.